Hello food lovers! Welcome back to Sangkap Sarap TV, where simple ingredients turn into irresistible Filipino-inspired dishes. Today, we're making creamy garlic chicken cordon bleu, juicy chicken breast stuffed with ham and melty cheese, coated in a golden crispy breadcrumb, and topped with a rich, creamy garlic sauce that will blow your mind. Stick around because I'll show you step by step how to get it perfectly crispy outside and creamy inside, plus a secret tip to make your garlic sauce extra luscious. Let's cook! Ingredients for the chicken: for chicken breast fillets, for slices ham, for slices cheese, quick melt or mozzarella, salt and pepper, 1 teaspoon garlic powder, optional. Procedure: place the chicken breast on a cutting board. Slice horizontally in the middle, like opening a book. Place the chicken between cling wrap or plastic wrap. Pound gently using a meat mallet, starting from the center outward. Flatten to about ½ inch thickness evenly. Season both sides with salt, pepper, and garlic powder. Place ham on top of the chicken. Add cheese in the center. Roll tightly using cling wrap. Chill in the fridge for 20 minutes to set the shape. For breading: ½ cup all-purpose flour, 2 eggs, beaten, 1 cup breadcrumbs or panko, cooking oil for frying. Remove cling wrap. Coat the chicken in flour, beaten eggs, breadcrumbs. Optional, double coat for extra crispiness. Heat oil over medium heat. Fry for 6 to 8 minutes per side until golden brown. Avoid high heat to prevent burning and ensure the inside cooks evenly. Let it cool first before slicing. For the creamy garlic sauce: 2 tablespoons butter, 3 cloves garlic, minced, 1 cup evaporated milk, 1 teaspoon cornstarch mixed into evaporated milk, ½ teaspoon salt, ½ teaspoon pepper, 1 teaspoon sugar, 1/4 cup grated cheese. Melt butter in a pan. Sauté garlic until fragrant. Add the evaporated milk plus cornstarch mixture and stir until thickened. Season with salt, pepper, and sugar. Add grated cheese and stir until creamy. Pour sauce over the chicken cordon bleu before serving. And there you have it, our creamy garlic chicken cordon bleu, golden, crispy, and oozing with cheesy goodness. If you enjoyed this recipe, smash the like button, share it with your friends and family, and follow Sangkap Sarap TV for more easy, restaurant-style recipes you can make at home. Comment below which dish you want us to cook next, your suggestion might be featured in our next video. Thank you for watching Sangkap Sarap TV, where every recipe brings out the true flavor of home cooking. See you in the next video.